Hey, are you working on a PowerPoint? If yes, then stop. Take a look at this video and you will know what are the settings that you need to do before you start your PowerPoint presentation. So in this video, I'll tell you about the auto recovery and autosave work. So basically auto recovery options can help you avoid losing your work. It can apply it in any MS Office program, that is Word, Excel or PowerPoint. So you can save your data automatically. For example, if you have been working for a long time but forgot to save a file, or if your power goes out, the file you have been working on contains all or at least some of the work you have done since you last saved it. So it's better that you always apply this setting in your PowerPoint while working on a presentation. So what is the procedure to do that? First, go to the file, click on File, go to PowerPoint Options, go to Save. Here you will find an option says Save Auto Recovery Information every 5 minutes. That means that in every 5 minutes of an interval, you want your file to be saved automatically. Okay, so it's generally what happened. We oftenly forget to press Ctrl S or save our file while working, and all of a sudden your system got crashed, or system got hanged, and because of that you will lose a lot of data. Okay, it will always recommend that you should always tick this on. Okay, and always keep it like as per your wish. I keep it like 5 minutes minimum. You can keep it as 1 minute. 5 minutes is what I recommend. Okay, don't stop here. Apart from this, also go to advanced and set maximum number of undos to 150. Okay, so this is the maximum number of undos that you can do in PowerPoint. What happens sometimes if you have not set this into the maximum number and you wanted to go back and you press Control Z lot of time and you don't get the that previous result that you want. But in this case, if you have 150 steps, so this will allow you to go 150 steps behind to your work. So this will also help to some of your extent to save your work. So once you set the maximum number undos to 150, then press OK. You're good to go. Now you can work on your presentation without any worry. I hope you found this video useful. If you found the information useful, please like the video and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.